Rochester is continuing to mourn the death of a pregnant woman named Kiana Foote and her 2-year-old daughter, Mayana Miller. Both were allegedly killed by Foote's ex-boyfriend. This tragic incident reminding many to help end domestic violence situations. KGTC's Kamaria Bray researched how these types of cases are handled. Kamaria.
Caitlin, the National Coalition Against Domestic Violence says on average 20 people per minute are physically abused by an intimate partner in the United States. The people I spoke with are hoping to end those issues through legal matters.
Attorney Jill Frieders represents women and men who fall victim to domestic violence.
After that evidence is given in court, then the judge will decide whether or not there was domestic abuse, and if so, what kind of remedy is appropriate. Should the abuser be removed from the home? Should the court award custody? Should the abuser have parenting time?
She says one of the best tools to separate abusers from victims is an order of protection.
So an order of protection really requires physical abuse or threat of physical abuse. But I have seen other things, like sleep deprivation is a form of abuse that I see that you can't get protection from. Financial abuse, most certainly.
She said many abusers obey the order, and Minnesota law states violating it 3 times will result in a felony. Usually the first to respond to domestic abuse calls is police.
There's several domestic calls every day that officers are going on. Rarely a day goes by where we don't make at least one domestic assault arrest. And on the weekends, it's not unusual to have 2 or 3 in custodies for domestic assaults over a weekend.
Officers are trained to understand why victims stay or leave an abusive relationship and do their part in support and protection.
Trying to make sure the victims understand that there is help, there's a way out. It doesn't necessarily have to mean the end of the relationship, but there is a way to get help to end the abuse. Sure. And that's the big thing we want to make sure that the victims understand. Yeah.
Attorney Frieders says in some cases the abuser does attend classes to stop the abuse. The number on your screen is for the Women's Shelter and Support Services. This group supports women and men in domestic violence situations. 507-285-1010. Live in the studio, Kamaria Bray, KTTC News.